Oh, I never gripe. Just let me have this moment. I just give me 5 seconds. You know when you go to turn the gas thing over, you push this little puppy in right here, you push it, you hear it go tick, 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 and then it keeps going tick, 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 and it doesn't light up, and you know in a minute it's gonna go scare the shit out of you, okay? I don't like that. Opening up a can of biscuits. Is it gonna pop in my face? Is it not gonna pop in my face? We have to hit it like this? Yes, we do. Yes, we do.